Well, my viewers, how are you guys doing? Yes, people, I have another video for you guys. I want you guys taking Dayton Campbell and Mr. Mark Golden, people. Yeah, man, take a listen, people. Take a listen. Yeah, man. Comment, people. I let me know what you think. It's my say, subscribe and like, share. Yeah, man, people. Shopboss TV production, people. Yeah, man. Listen, people.
We know that the tide has shifted. We know that the wind is in our sails. We know that the people are looking for change. We know that the People's National Party will soon be back in government.
Mark Golden, we're talking about a country in which a member of parliament down in Westmoreland takes stool and beat the hell out of a woman. And the Prime Minister of the country said that they have impeachment legislation. And him don't bring no impeachment legislation. And in the matter of 1 week, Mark Golden drafted impeachment legislation and tabled it in the parliament. We're talking about an effective leader. We have a problem with crime and violence. And they say we have 300 people in Jamaica who are violence producers who are cause havoc in the society. They will lock down everybody on the SOE, and Mark Golden come and say, I want to propose something to you. Pre-charge detention so you can go and just target the 300 troublemaker and leave the rest of the people with them rights so that they can go about them lawful business. We're talking about effective leadership. We are in a country where a government pass a law that in a taxi you must have car seat. That in a taxi you must have child seat in a taxi. And they say they come in with regulations. They say they come with it in 2 days. It's been 3 weeks and it still don't reach yet. And in a matter of 2 days, Mark Golden drafted a private member's bill and tabled it in the parliament to repeal that section and to ensure that those who were charged before, that it's removed from their record and the points go back on them license. And the government and the MPs voted against it. We are talking about effective leadership. And so I want you to understand that you are getting in Mark Golden competence, you're getting compassion, you're getting care, you're getting intellectual capacity, you're getting humility.
The manipulation of local government election dates which had occurred in the past would no longer occur. And we would go to a fixed 4-year cycle for local government elections. We amended the constitution of the country to provide for a democratic system of local governance. This Jamaica Labour Party government has for 3 years in a row brought laws to the parliament of the country to postpone local government elections. And this last time in February really was too much to bear. There was no plausible excuse. Them cite the need to save money when they have collected over 80 billion additional tax revenue from the people of Jamaica beyond what they had originally budgeted for this year. And the local government election is just over 1 billion. And they have collected over 80 billion additional taxes from the people. It's quite clear that they have smelt the coffee and know that the people of Jamaica are tired of them. The people of Jamaica want to see a change. They want to see hope, and they want to see a better life for themselves and their children and grandchildren. They know that the People's National Party is the party of the people. It is the party that has brought liberation to the people over decades since our formation in 1938. And we are standing up for local government elections, and we are standing up for governance in the country at the local level. And we will be doing more of these small gatherings. And anybody in Jamaica who believes in democracy and feels that the local government election postponement was wrong for the country, was unprincipled, and was just an act of manipulation and opportunism by a desperate government that doesn't want to give the people a chance to show them how the people feel, can join us in these demonstrations that we'll be having periodically over the weeks and months to come. There are other issues of concern. The cost of living after 2 years of inflation has gone beyond the means of ordinary Jamaican people. We told the government to cushion the crisis. We told them to put in a livable wage, not a minimum wage. We suggested years ago that $12,000 should be that. Of course, that is no longer the relevant figure because inflation eats out that too. But if we benchmark a livable wage, which is adjusted annually for inflation, the people of Jamaica will be better off. We have said to the government, eliminate this device of contract work that prevents our workers from having their rights, hard-fought rights and benefits, whether it be vacation leave, sick leave, and other things. It took the court to rule for the security guards that has required the government to implement a proper system within the public sector for the security guards. But it can't be just for the security guards alone. Contract work is used and abused all across the economy. And we have said bring legislation to eliminate contract work once and for all and give all workers their full rights, hard-fought rights in this country. And the thing that fun me most of all is when I see this Minister Arbin Hill buck shuffling when the Cannabis Licensing Authority has issued a license to import commercial quantities of ganja from Canada into Jamaica, the land of the best ganja in the world. When we decriminalize personal use of ganja, and when we introduce a regulated system of medicinal marijuana in the country, we did so to liberate the people from the human rights abuse that had been visited on them over a century of prohibition where police lock you up for a split, lock you up for a jar weed, lock you up for a chalice. We eliminated those things from the law. We never envisaged that our government would be permitting importation of ganja from Canada for commercial sale when Jamaican producers cannot sell to Canada in commercial quantities. It is wrong, and the government should own it and change it, because the local industry is just up and coming and it needs proper government and proper regulation so that it can grow and foster and flourish. So people, we are encouraged. We know that the tide has shifted. We know that the wind is in our sails. We know that the people are looking for change. We know that the People's National Party will soon be back in government. All I say to everybody here, whether you're a PNP or an OP, or even if you're a Labourite, listen to me now. Come on board this train. This train can't stop. This train will move to victory. This train is bound to glory. One love, comrades.